Yo, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. Wallets packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
That's right, guys. Let's shake it. Let's shake it up. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. Man, some days it's harder than others. Good Lord. Because you're flipping and flopping. Flipping and flopping. We're going to get to crypto bubbles in just a moment. First, I want to show this. This is what I started off the show, I think it was last night. Do a lot of shows, guys. Do a lot of shows. Make sure the notification bell is on. This is the Fear and Greed Index for the stock market 22, for the crypto space 10. It looks very yummy, very juicy, very juicy. This is saying that right now, crypto is at a discount. A nice discount. Can it go lower? Better believe it. Could we go lower? It's looking like it. We're going to look at that in just a moment. Now let's go to the crypto bubbles. Let's go daily. Nothing too exciting, either plus or minus. Nothing crazy. We have IP going down 18%, just because it went up. You know, what goes up is going to come down. I is currently going up on the daily. Let's go to the hourly. Ooh. Does this mean the Bitcoin's going down? Pretty sure it does. Pretty sure it does. We're going to look at Bitcoin in just a moment after the heat map. So on the heat map, always refresh this. And let's look at the 24-hour heat map. Nothing really down here. I mean, there's some levels, but nothing really bright. Our first bright area is right here, 86.7. I'm gonna get to the chat in just a moment. 86.7. Let's go to the 12-hour. So 86 point, same area, 86.6. Nothing really too big down here. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the daily time frame. This is just the overall bigger picture. And let's go say hi to the chat. So here. All right, so the first one, wow, first one. Dylan, first place, man, and these actually came in like at the same time. Then, of course, we have 100 Air. 100 Air, thank you so much, man. You are second place. 100 Air, my man. And then we have Jesse. Jesse is in a third place. Congrats, guys. Congrats. Very nice work, guys. A very nice work. Appreciate you guys very much. Very much. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see here. We got username in the house. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Art Smeller. Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Let's see here. All right. Thank you guys so much for showing up today. Let us look at what Bitcoin is doing. Man. So, of course, we saw this. The dump heard around the world. Heard around the world at 91.9. Kind of closed underneath it. Next kind of close underneath it as well. Went into this next zone. This is our zone 1 for a bounce. This is our zone 2 for a bounce. Neither of these did a bounce. Neither of them. And they just went straight through. Now, my only fear is I'm afraid of something like this, where it just bounces up. Something like this. What I want to see is I want to see a bearish retest. That's what I want to see. I want to see this come up and then start coming down so we can do some shorts. Now, we did open a short yesterday, and for me, I ended up closing it last night just because I have higher leverage. And I was like, no, I don't like how it's looking. So I closed it, made a video for my group, letting them know, or an audio, forget which one. And today, right now, I open it again because now it's looking better. And again, when you have higher leverage, you have to be more on top of, just your trades. But if it's a low leverage, 1x, 2x, 3x, I mean, it's fine. It can move a little bit. It doesn't really affect you. But if you're using higher leverage, that little move, oof, it can hurt. Speaking about moving, Bitcoin, can you move to the upside, please? Please. We have, of course, this level right here. And we're in the zone. Coming down pretty hard. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, just before the show, I entered a short and then I closed it. And I'll show you why too. It was premature, I guess. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see price came down, started looking like it was going to bounce, looking good, and got bamboozled. Got bamboozled. We closed underneath this level and come down, coming up. It's slowly doing a scared step to the downside, in my opinion, right now anyway. I did enter a short on the 15-minute time frame, and I didn't get wrecked. I just closed out my trade. So when this happened right here, I entered my short. It's coming down, nice. Coming up, okay, no problem. I was like, oh, again, 70, 79x leverage. I was like, let me close it. And then sure enough, boop, like, ah, man. I just got scared. Started losing too much money. I'm going to see here. Correspondent says, is there a dance to make Bitcoin going up? I don't know, man. When I dance, it rains. So I don't know about Bitcoin going up. Man. Let's see here. Any coins that y'all want to look at, guys? There's a lot of coins out there that they were starting to look good. But it's so wishy-washy right now. And some of these coins, I mean, man, we killed it on Cookie. Good Lord. We posted that one yesterday. And within a few hours, made huge gains. And but there's some coins that'll do that and some coins that won't. So just kind of let y'all know. Hey, we got Paperclip in the house. Got to preserve that $14. I'm telling you. I made a little bit, and then I lost a little bit. So right now, $14 is pretty much right where I'm at. Pi Network, yep. I'm not sure if you're asking for that one for me to check, or if you're just saying that. I think you're saying for me to check it. Here, so yeah, we'll look at the Pi. And we'll do it right now. So this one, due to the low market cap, we had a very, very low, very low stop loss. Right now, it's kind of losing its umph. So here, huge pump, came down, came up. This is where we saw it. Was like, you know what? Go for it. Into the trade because of all the hype. Went up, down, up, right at resistance. Came down way too much that I wanted to. Bounced pretty much right here off of our anchored VWAP. Came up, down. We wanted to break the high, and we finally did here. Not here, but here. And then now we broke this low, break below our anchored VWAP, broke below this. For me personally, I think it's going to come down to maybe like here. And then start doing this. But right now it's just losing its strength. And this was, oh, it's on the 5-minute time frame, guys. The 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it's looking weak. I do need to see more ups and downs in order to see the strength. Maybe not so drastic. Something like that. That's what I'm looking at. And of course, I would need to break this in order to continue the overall macro bullishness. Seems like the bottom comes in 50 minutes, Joe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Paperclip in the house. Very nice, guys. Very nice. So this one is coming down. What's this? ETH? Man, ETH is looking so bad. Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. Right now, Bitcoin's kind of difficult to trade, in my opinion, because it wants to go down. It really does. But then it wants to go up. Like, dude, just make up your mind. I think I had a short up here. Man. It's not looking for good for Bitcoin, guys. Hate saying it. Bearish retest. You know what would really suck? See, what time frame is this? 4 hour? Yeah. So right now, the main levels that we need to watch, 4 hour time frame, this level right here, 83,764. I do think that we're going to break through it, below it. We don't want it to break below because if it does, I mean, just coming down. This is a level we want it to break. I don't think it'll do it. We have this resistance first at 86,635 before we can break this one. I think I should do it short, man. I kind of missed my opportunity though. With the amount of leverage on. It was right here when I entered. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's go to the chats. Let's see here. I would not trade Bitcoin right now. I'd wait. Yeah, it's very wishy-washy. Good. Yeah. Waiting for the news this afternoon. Yeah. See, I think we're gonna look at Shell and Safe. I think those are coins that Jesse's wanting. Let's come over here. Shell. Let's see. Pumped. Too late for it. Too late. But is it? Is it too late? New coin. Don't know what it is. Looks good though, as far as the movement. So that's good. Has a lot of pumpamentals. New pumping. How much is this pump? From here to here. Heck yeah. FOMO City. Enter now. FOMO City. Enter now. YouTube entry. That's what this is. This is FOMO. I don't know what the coin is. Feb. What's the date? 27? Time 12. There we go. So enter now. We're gonna have a lower entry in case it comes down. 10. I really think it's gonna come down here at 20. Due to the market cap, it being low. I don't know what the market cap is, but I'm positive it's low. Lower entry there. And lower entry here, about 10%. Lower entry. I'm sorry. Now targets. How do you get a target on something like this, Joe? A couple different ways. Let's see here. We'll do from a fib retracement. We'll go from the top to the bottom, and then we'll reverse it. Reverse. Boom. Levels. What are your settings, Joe? Oh, here you go. Here are my settings. And then you got these as well. Right now it's on reverse. Go ahead and click on out of that, and let's do some Alt J's. Let's do some Alt J's here. I'm gonna do it underneath the levels. Here would be an Alt J. Here, let's change this. 50. And what I'll do is I'll just get this. And, nope. Nope. Click it first, then do control, and then click again. There we go. What are these targets? Telling you, FOMO's real, guys. FOMO is real. This one, it moved a bunch already, but due to it being a very low market cap and a new coin, those are your targets. Boom. Bingo, bango. And let me put this in the group too. Shell. So here's shell. Set up from YouTube live stream, and that's it. Enter now. Normally I put a lot of other information on here. Lower in, but I can't do it because I'm doing this. Entries on charts. Boom. Okay. I like it. Nice work, Jesse. Appreciate you, man. Hey, we got Automatic Beats in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate you. But this one's FOMO City. Like it. Next one was Safe. Yeah. See here, MXC. This one don't like too much. See here. Arizona says closed door meeting with SEC this afternoon and a few other things today and tomorrow. Oh. See here. Artichokes. I don't know what artichokes are. Sounds familiar. Cashews. I don't know cashews. Anyway, so Safe token, very low market cap again. Pumps and it dumps. Could you make money on this one? Sure. It just likes to take it all back though. So if you do get into this, again, this one is higher risk due to the market cap. I would definitely recommend putting in your sell orders and multiple sell orders. If you buy $100 worth of this coin, don't put $50 here, $50 here. Put $10, $10, $10, $10, $10. And that way your orders get filled. But yeah, runs up 100%. So this one, if you were going to enter this, just know this is pretty much like a set it, forget it type deal where you put it in here and hopefully you check on it 2 months later and it's sold. But same thing with this one. This one is click away, control, click, I guess something like that. Here too. This one will be an enter now, but just know, this one is a much lower market cap, but just know that this could go down another 80%, like easy, very easy. I mean, it's done it right here. Like what's this percentage from here to here? 60%. So this can go down. So just know that, you put an entry here, lower, 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 lower. But that's what I would say on this one. But right now it's extremely dangerous. But when it moves, it moves. Artichokes. I gotta look at what that is. Artichokes. Don't know what it is. Let's see here. Yeah, so this one, I mean, it has no structure to it at the moment. It's just straight down, 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 down. No up, down, higher, low, higher. It just, boop. So again, that increases to the risk. Gonna make you money? Sure, why not? But this will be a more of a degen play. Throw $50, $100, whatever. But you have to make sure the order book that you're not putting $50 and someone's selling here for 10, 10, then another 10 and 10. So what you're doing, you're buying all these and then these way up here so that you actually jack up the price. So be careful. Learn how to do the order books. I do have a video on that. Definitely check it out. See here. Awesome, man. Making some coffee. I think we'll do some coffee today. Here. Good. Very good. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Thank you guys for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Let's see here. Let's look at Bitcoin again. Bitcoin, you make me sick. Bitcoin, you make me sick. Banned. And all of them are just rolling over. It's not looking strong. Like today, it's not looking strong. Here's Pi saying, Joe, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going up. There you go. 15-minute time frame. Metis, we looked at this one the other day. Price was here. I was saying probably come down in here into this box. It said, nope, went down all the way. Again, lower market cap coin. BNB. Price was here. I thought it was going to bounce here, and it started bouncing, and then bloop, and then bloop. Not looking good, man. Not looking good. Hey, we got Sin in the house. David, what's up, David? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Let's see here. What are the coins? Virtual. We're looking at virtual, and virtual's just coming down, man. I mean, it was doing okay for a bit, and then now it's giving it up. ETH. We looked at ETH earlier. Not looking good. Getting us stopped out left and right. Here, here. Not looking good at all. Let's look at ETH at a bigger. These are all our. We're trying to go long, and then bloop. Broke above our level, our zone. So watch out for the fake outs. No fake out here. All right, let's go. Moon mission. Accumulation. Let's go. Bloop. Ouch. That hurt. And then bloop. Like here, you wouldn't think that it would come down. Came down already, went sideways, rejection, 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 all this. Then we finally break out. And I was like, okay, you know, probably come down here, get support. Man, roll over. Let's see here. We got about 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. If you have any questions, charts, concerns, issues, let me know. We've got about 5 more minutes, and I appreciate everybody who's here. Man, I appreciate everybody who's here. Thank you for smashing the likes. Thank you for being here, period. Right now, man, it is really difficult being in crypto. The fear and greed index is at 10, so that means it's a nice buying opportunity. Now, if Bitcoin does come down and comes lower, the alts are going to follow. The alts are going to follow, so you could potentially get this at a better price, whether it's Bitcoin, alts, Ethereum, Band, TRB. I mean, just look at this. So we're trying to come up on 12-hour, and now it's coming back down. So it's like a bearish retest. On the 4-hour, you'll see a bearish retest. It came up, but these are very small levels, very small. So we'll see what happens. It's looking so bad. But here's the thing. I wish I didn't know about the market makers. I really do. I wish I didn't know about the market makers, because I'm always fearful of them. Because here's coming down, coming down, coming down. Oh, let's go open shorts, going short, 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 and boom! Market makers push it up. You know what? I'm going to put on this one. Trade reality. Where is it? This one. Traders reality. PVSRA. Volume suit. I'm going to click on that. And this way it shows me the candle colors, but on the volume. So the market makers push this one down. Market makers were pushing these down and up. Market makers are evil. Very evil. See, Paperclip says, would it be a good idea to maybe look at coins that haven't dumped yet? Good luck. Maybe set up a sneaky short. Yeah, good luck on that. And that's what I do. I kind of go through some coins, and I'll see which one hasn't dumped as much, or ones that are potentially, I think BNB was one of them. But this was some time ago, though. Like if I see all the coins dumping, and then let's say this coin is dumped just to about here, then we'll enter the trade for a short, because all the others are dumping. But I mean, good luck finding them. I mean, they've all pretty much dumped. But I mean, that's a good strategy. That's a really good strategy. Same thing with coins, like when coins start pumping, and let's say you see 5 AI agent coins pump, but another one hasn't, and of course there's like a million of them, but maybe there's one that you've been trading and that one hasn't pumped yet. Well, it's a pretty good idea to get into that one. So that's actually a very good strategy. So nice work on that. Nick says, can we look at Barra? Sure, man. We haven't looked at that one. So that is our setup for that. That's our setup for that one. This is higher risk, though. Very much higher risk. Barra, it's a newer coin. This is from like Barra Chain or something. I forget what it does. Oh, let's look at the price. Okay. Nice. Of course, I never include the first wick or the first candle for the first day, rather. I never include the first day just because, I mean, this happens. So there's no way I'm going to use a fib retracement from here to here. There's no way I'm going to do that. I see people do it, but this is all just manipulation, hype. It's a scam wick. So here, had the pullback. Nice. Hopefully this is the bottom. Let's go to the magnet tool. Let's come over here. Hopefully this is the bottom right at 5.18. Then we do have this zone right here on the daily, 880. We do have a mid level. This is, man, this looks really nice. Range high, range low, mid range. Love it. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see nice run up, pull back, pull back, pull back, bottom of the pullback. Now we broke the level, and of course on the higher time frame, you're going to see this candle body closes. On a lower time frame, you're going to see it as well. You'll see it as candle body close and then the wick, and then on the lower time frame, the wick actually are little candle body closes on the lower time frame. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see here. Down, came up, broke this level. I'd expect it to come down to this zone. So we have this little zone right here. I would expect it to come down. It'd be healthy. Let's put it that way. It would be healthy if it came down to about here before coming up and breaking this level. I really do like this. I like this coin. Or the price action, rather. I really want to enter here. Well, what's the percentage? That also makes a difference, too. Is this 4% or 24%? 10%? It's not a lot of percentage. What we could do... Oh, man. I want to say we can enter now, but I don't think there's a lot of hype to this coin. So we would have a better entry lower. If there was like a lot of hype to this, to where like it's going up and small retrace and going up and small retrace and going up, and we see a small retrace and like more than likely we'd enter, knowing that we have a really strong chance of coming down, but the hype might continue. So for this one, what I'll do is I will put a lower entry right here. It's about 8% away. This will be our lower entry. I don't think that it will break this level. I think the lowest we'll see it is right around here. I'm debating, should we enter now? Debating if we should enter now. I mean, because if this pullback was like 20% or whatever, then that would be different than only... Thinking about this one. I really like the price action. I haven't even looked at this coin ever. I don't believe I have. I don't think I have, no. Trying to... Saving 8%. So it depends on your risk management. Like if you're okay with entering now, knowing that we have a very high potential of it coming down 8%, then you could enter now, have a lower bid here. If you are, you want to get the absolute best price, which means that you might miss this move if it goes up, then I would have an alert or have a lower entry here, so that when the price comes down, if it comes down about 8%, the order gets filled. You know what? Let's just do it. Let's go. Let's just do it. Let's go and copy this over here. And let's paste. Of course, why did I do that? Let's try it one more time. And copy here, Paste. This one is 30. Okay. So we're going to enter right now. We're going to have a lower entry here. Now we need a target. How do you get a target on this? How do you do a target? Well, there's a couple different ways. One, you can use a fib retracement tool. But in this case, we can actually use a fib extension. So the fib extension, I do have it on my favorites, but you can find it over here. Whenever I click on one of my buttons that are down here, it's kind of hidden. But whenever I click on one of my buttons for my favorites, you'll see it highlight over here in blue. So if you ever want to know where that indicator is, it's over here. Or not indicator, but tool. So we're going to go from the lowest part down here to the highest part right here to the lowest part right here. Boom. A bingo and a bango. Went right perfectly to the 0.5 level. And so let's do some targets. So I'm going to do it underneath the levels. We're going to do Alt. Wow, how far is this one? From here to here. Okay, 30%. Not bad. So let's do a level right here, 30. Oh, and let's do this. Target. And then we're going to click on this. Control. We'll do one right here. We'll give you 2 targets. So here we go. From here to here. First target is around 33%. Not too shabby. Next target is roughly around 50%. 50%. Okay, fine. 48. There you go. I like it. I like it. That's good to me. Let's see here. Going on the list. See, BNB has held up exceptionally well. It has. It really has. And there was news about BNB a few days ago. I forgot what the news was, but I was thinking the exact same thing a few days ago because I'm looking for coins that haven't dumped yet. But this one, it's held up. And the reason it's held up, I'm thinking, is because of what CZ was doing, something about meme coins and on the BNB network. And I think that's why this one is held up, because people are doing memes on the BNB network now. So they need the BNB coin to have for gas fees. So that's why I'm thinking that. See here, Aris Miller likes to hit enter without completing his thought. Let's see what his thought was. Aris Miller says, is there actual volume on it? I'm assuming you're talking about Barra. Is there actual volume? The CTO is from Polygon Labs. And they just got a $3 million grant on that Barachain coin. Okay, awesome. Next time, please put all that in one sentence. Because if people are talking, then I got to find kind of like what we just happened right now. So is there volume on it? I don't know. Let's double click it. Double click. Volume is low. Volume is low. So, and this is why it's important to also do part of the research that I normally do. But today I'm kind of slacking a little bit. So come over here to the market cap and we type in Barra. And this is what you always want to do, like before you enter coins and everything else. Barra chain. Market cap is 827 million. And we go to all, and we see that it got introduced about 21 days ago. We go to markets. This is where the on Binance. So they spend a lot of money because they're on Binance already. They just came out. They're on Coinbase. They spend a lot of freaking money. KuCoin. Top 3, really? And then, of course, you got MEXC and all these other ones. And right now, this is how much volume they've done in 24 hours. So, I mean, the volume, it looks like it's there. This could be all from bots, who knows? But it looks like it's there. You go to all, it's DeFi, layer 1, okay. Oh, that's right. It was given to Binance holder airdrops. That's right. That's where the first time I saw it. Let's go to their website. Oops. Let's go to their website. See what the website says. Let's go. Okay, Bear is, to me, automatically I'm thinking, oh, meme coin. Up only. Oh, that's dumb. Okay, I don't like it right now. So as soon as you go to their website, it takes you to the very bottom and up only. So I get it. I don't think this has ever been done as far as you starting at the bottom, because it's up only with Berachain. So I get it, but I don't like it. I'm going to do a -1. I'm going to do a -1 on the website because it starts you at the bottom. However, I'm going to do a +9 for creativity. I've never given a plus anything for creativity. I'm going to give them a +9 for creativity. Claim airdrops, blah, blah, et cetera, et cetera. Well, let's go. So, Berachain. This feels so weird going up. Very unique. I don't like it though. So we're going to do another -1. It feels too weird. Proof of liquidity, blah, blah, blah. It's almost like motion sickness because I'm used to the other way. I don't know. It's just weird. I want to see from the top. Okay, join our community. Nice animation. Want to join us? Okay, we went over that. Launched a chain. Okay, so different things. Okay. Principles. Okay. Okay. So all in all, I'll give him a +8, I guess. I'm thinking about it. Nope. Minus another one. But anyway, so volume is right here for Mixie anyway. We have this volume right here. So I mean, it's not bad. It's not, Ethereum volume or Binance BNB volume, but it's still good. Let's see here. It doesn't all fit in one. Yeah, it does. How many characters is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm sure it is. I mean, look at Jesse's. Boom, done. There we go. See, Jesse says, yes, unfortunately, YouTube doesn't let us put whole stories in chat. I have now 104 characters left. Yeah, you put I put a lot of stuff on. Watch. Look, I'm gonna put stuff right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bingo, bango. Look at all that I can type. And I still have room. Give you a heads up. All right. Let's see here. I think I missed something. Slide chips forward. Nice. Bingo and a bang. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So yeah, I like it. But I do think we have a very high chance of it coming down. Very high chance. Let's see, it grayed me out. I have no idea why. You put more than that, what I just typed in. Let's see here. His was supposed to have a bull market when every week Trump dumps the market. How are we supposed to have a bull market when every week Trump dumps? Maybe it is going to, maybe it has to get worse before it gets better. That's the only thing I can think of. And thank you guys for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. Yeah, true. So here. XRP. Ugh. So let's go and delete everything. Get out of here. 23 drawings. Oh, man. Man, XRP is $2. How much did it go up to? 336. Wow. I wonder how much XRP I have. I should look. I was going to look in the bear market, but I'm a procrastinator. So I said I'll do it later. Which reminds me, I have to check like 10 of my wallets, see if I have anything in there. I know I have a bunch of NFTs. I know that much. Never again, guys. Never again will I be so foolish into following the trend. Man, I put so much money, guys. Like if I told you the amount of money, you'd be like, Joe, that's more than $14. Yeah, like I said, guys, I made a significant amount of money last bull run. Because I made so much, now I was like, man, I'm gonna diversify. I'm gonna get into NFTs. I'm gonna get into mining. I'm gonna buy, GPUs. I'm gonna buy my ASIC miners. I'm going to, what else did I do? Some stuff. I'm gonna buy nodes, which is basically buying a coin that you're selling back to the company or you're burning or whatever to get nodes that make you coins, which is dumb, in my opinion. Man, I spent so much money on that stuff. So much. See here, we have Wix Fine 89 in the house. What's going on? Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you being here. See here. Ouch, NFTs. Yeah. Man, I spent so much money. $15, man. It was more like $30 on the NFTs. One of my buddies, he had a referral link to a particular thing that had NFTs, and he posted it. And of course, when I go hard, guys. I mean, I don't mess around. I put some money down, and so I put a good amount of money, and then sure enough, he messaged me. He's like, Joe, I don't know what happened, man. Like my referral bonus, it is crazy. I'm not sure who bought, or if there was a whole bunch of people who bought at the same time. But dude, I cashed it out. Like I don't even know if it was going to be real or not. But I mean, man, it was on a voice call, so like I'm hearing all his excitement. And he goes, I told him, I said, just to let you know, I bought a little bit. He goes, I knew it was you, because that's what I would do. When I go hard, man. And it was just funny. It's so funny. But I lost all that. And then I lost the hope, man. I lost so much. Not again. Live and learn. Live and learn. RS Winner says, Joe, you have to ask yourself here we go. You have to ask yourself, even if I was stupid, I'm guessing, did you have fun spending the money on NFTs and enjoying while you did? No. I did not have fun spending money on NFTs, because for me, it was about making more money. So it was an investment. Now, if I had fun, maybe at a club that was for gentlemen, then that's a different story. But for NFTs, no thank you. See, you only live once. Life is short. It doesn't go, yeah. Oh, yeah, that I know. I live life to the fullest. Shoot, man. Like I said, RN money, overtime money, 30, 40 hours overtime every week, and no bills. I mean, very little bills. And not married. and living the life of a rock star. So yeah, I know about that one life thing. See here, if you answer yes, then you're fine. Yeah, those are all no's. I didn't enjoy it. I mean, I enjoyed making the money that made me have the ability to buy those NFTs, but I don't like the results of those NFTs. Let's see here. XRP. XRP. See, Wes says, maybe one day you can open a gentleman's club. Oh, I don't know about gentleman's club. We can go to a club with gentlemen that has NFT perks and such. Hey, there you go. Yeah, it was funny. I don't joke around at work, and I'll tell my other nurses, I was like, you know what? Like, I open door for ladies, for kids, for elderly, for whoever. And, I'm always polite, thank you and please and yes, ma'am. And, always try to show respect. And that would make me a gentleman, right? And everybody's like, yeah. I said, what I would like to do, because there's so much like bad in the world. What I would like to do is go somewhere where there could be like more people that were gentlemen, open doors, very polite, nice, and like almost if there was like a club for gentlemen. I would like to go there. They're like, Joe, you're back. Yes. That shell is retracing. Joe, opportunities coming, I guess. Shell? That's not too bad. And if it does, hopefully it does, because we have lower entries. There we go. A little bit cleaner. Boom. A bingo and a bango. Bingo and a bango. We got about a few more minutes, guys. A few more minutes. But yeah, I do like my me being a gentleman story. Like, I open door for women, for men. Very polite. Yep. Let's see here. I was gonna go on with that story. Don't want me to do that. Do not want me to do that. Because then definitely you're like, yo, that's not nice. It's this link. Our link got stopped out really quick. We might come back to it. Just depends on the market. I mean, is it doing anything really? So dangerous today. But all right, guys, that's it for today. I do thank you very much. We will see you at 4 o'clock on the Piper Academy Network. And then, of course, I'll probably take tonight off. I've done a few nights in a row already for the midnight show. And again, those aren't scheduled. Those are just whenever. But just to let you know, I might do it. I don't know. Have the notification bell on. I do thank you guys very much. Until then, let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. All right, guys. Thank you so much.